Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, grade 7. The lessons for today is about HTML codings, elements and tags. HTML coding, elements and tags. A web page is made up of HTML elements. An HTML tag is always begins with less than sign and ends up with greater than sign. For example, U, the tag U, is used for underlined text. We put the tag U before the text we want to underline. It's called an opening tag or on tag. We put /U after the underlined text. It is the closing tag, or we call it an off tag. For example, see this last line here in the slide. U means underline HTML tag /U. When you write, when you view the web page in the browser, the text will look like this: HTML tag. This is because we have put in here at the last line under tag, underline the text HTML tag. HTML tag, this is our text, and U tag and /U tag is the on tag and the off tag for this between text, so that an HTML element consists of the opening and the closing tag, and everything will be in the between these two tags. Notice that some elements in HTML does not have a closing tag, like we call them non-container tags, and the ones they have on and off tag, on and off, we call them as container tags. Okay, the starting and the ending. Container elements, HTML elements that includes on and off tags are called container tags, as I just said. Like, for example, this text is in bold. Okay, so this is the starting tag. The on tag is the B between the two brackets, and the /B is the off tag between these two brackets at the end of the sentence. Now we have also, as I told you, we have something empty elements, empty HTML elements, that the one they have on tags but they do not require off tags. For example, the HR tag, which is used to draw a horizontal line, and the BR line breaks tags is another example of the empty tags that do not have or do not require an off tag. We come here to an HTML attributes. Attributes gives an extra information about elements. They are always specified inside the star tag. For example, this background color. Okay, attribute of the body tag specified the background color of the web page, as you see here, as you can see in this tag here. The attribute value is BG or body, BG color only, BG color. HTML rules: the tag names and attribute names are not case sensitive. Case sensitive means if you write in capital letter or in small letter, it is the same, does not affect your HTML document. Okay, for example, the body For example, here, the body in capital, the body tag in capital is the same as the body in small letter. Also, background color is equal to red. Background color is equal to red is the same like as BG color equal to red in small letter. That's what we call case sensitive. But in HTML here, we don't have the codings in case sensitive. You can write it in a small or in a big. The small or a big letter does not make a difference. An attribute value can be case sensitive. An attribute value only can be a case sensitive. Spaces between the tags do not matter. For example, like this spaces here, okay? This is spaces here. It does not matter, okay? It is as the same as this one, which contains no spaces between the tag and the closing tag, opening and closing tag. It is the same as, also you can write like this, underline, then in a separate line you can write underline text, and then you close the tag. All this do not matter in HTML coding. Tag names can not contain spaces. For example, body is not the same as body, okay? Because there are some spaces, as you see, between the word itself. Also, there is no spaces between and in the tag, okay? There is no spaces between and in the tag. For example, like this spaces. Elements can be nested. If we want to underline a text and also make it bold, we can write bold, then underline, correct order of tags, then we close the underline tags and the bold tags. Structure of an HTML document, as you can see here in the this figure, okay, the first tag is an HTML tag and it's an opening tag, and the closing tag will be HTML, okay, as you see here, but it has a closing tag. It starts with HTML tag and it ends up with closing tag of HTML. After that comes the head, and inside the head there's a title. The title which you type here is going to appear in the status, in the title bar of your document, okay? Then you're closing the head tag, as you see, with the slash head, and then you write the containing body. Containing body may have headings, may have a paragraphs in it. It has the containing text. That is the structure of an HTML document. Now, what I require from you guys is to open your book, your computer book, in the page number 136. There is a practice time which is in brown color. Please open your notepad and type the text, and then save your document by using save as. And when you save it, please don't forget to write an extension. After writing the name of your file, write the extension HTML and then save it on the desktop. It will look like it's gonna open in the browser. Thank you very much. This was the lesson for today.